The Agilent 0950-2528 ps210a-0101 is a custom power supply used in a high-performance liquid chromatography built by Agilent. We received this unit dead from a customer, and after a full and complete rebuild, we had the power supply up and running. As shown in the video, we are loading the 24-volt output to get the power supply to fully come on and run, but we also rebuilt the other power supplies, and all were within specification. At ERD, we have a track record of decades of repair in the instrumentation market. We not only use test equipment, but we fully support most brands of equipment, including Agilent. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.